Good afternoon. My name is Robert Dunlap. The website that I decided to critique is the West Georgia Technical College website, and I find this website to be very friendly. The navigation system is very easy to use, and also, most importantly, the first thing that I look upon to see whether or not that this website had an accessibility, and it did. For its 508 compliance, it does compliance with section 508, and on the accessibility services, if you click here, I'm clicking on that, and as you see, the accessibility services web page came up very secure and quickly, matter of fact. And I'm going to click on admission to navigate that, go all the way down to dual enrollment. And I find this website to be very, very easy to use. And as you see, there's a dual enrollment page. Okay, and I click on academics, go all the way down to program of studies, click on that, and there is your program of study. And at the below, you see the list of programs that West Georgia Technical College has to offer. So this is my analysis and critique of West Georgia Technical College website, and I find it to be very friendly to the user, and there's no flaws that I found in this particular site. Thank you very much.